My gardening adventure. Today, I helped my mom in the garden. We woke up early to enjoy the fresh air. I grabbed my little shovel and we started planting seeds. We planted colorful flowers like daisies and sunflowers. I loved digging in the dirt and feeling the soil between my fingers. My mom showed me how to water the plants gently. We watched the water soak into the ground. After planting, we sat on a bench and talked about how plants grow. I learned that with sunlight, water and love, flowers bloom beautifully. As we finished, I felt proud of our work. I can't wait to see the flowers grow. Gardening is fun and teaches me to care for nature. I hope to plant more flowers next time.